21st century marked the beginning of an energy revolution. Concerned with climate change, depleting fossil fuels, and urban pollution, innovators sought alternatives to gasoline-powered cars. Early EV pioneers like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet redefined the automotive industry with sleek electric models. Tesla's Model S, introduced in 2012, proved that electric cars could be luxurious, high-performing, and desirable. Simultaneously, artificial intelligence and machine learning began reshaping industries. Engineers and scientists envisioned cars that could navigate without human intervention. This dream, driven by companies like Waymo, Tesla, and traditional automakers, planted the seeds for autonomous vehicles (AVs). Governments worldwide joined the movement. Incentives such as tax credits, rebates, and exemptions on EV purchases encouraged early adopters. Regulations promoting zero-emission vehicles and stringent penalties for high-emission cars accelerated the transition. In parallel, governments recognized the potential of self-driving cars to reduce accidents caused by human error. Pilot programs tested AVs on city streets, proving their capability to navigate dense urban environments safely. Public interest grew, though skepticism lingered about reliability, ethics, and cybersecurity. By the mid-2020s, significant challenges remained. Battery technology, though advanced, was still costly, and charging infrastructure was unevenly distributed. Self-driving technology faced hurdles, like unpredictable pedestrian behavior and bad weather conditions. The turning point came with breakthroughs in battery chemistry, such as solid-state batteries, which drastically improved EV range and reduced costs. In parallel, advancements in machine learning allowed AVs to adapt better to complex scenarios, while 5G networks enhanced real-time data sharing. Infrastructure development was key. Governments invested in nationwide charging stations and smart roads that communicated with vehicles, providing real-time updates on traffic, hazards, and weather. Autonomous driving zones were designated, ensuring AVs could operate with minimal human-driven vehicle interference. By the 2030s, electric vehicles became the norm. Automakers shifted focus almost entirely to EV production, and fossil fuel-powered cars were phased out in most countries. The global energy grid adapted to support increased demand, relying heavily on renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. Self-driving vehicles also became mainstream. Fleet services, like those operated by Waymo and Cruise, offered affordable and efficient transportation without the need for private car ownership. Logistics companies deployed autonomous trucks, reducing shipping times and costs. Urban planners reimagined cities with fewer parking lots, wider sidewalks, and more green spaces. Consumers enjoyed unprecedented convenience. Cars dropped off passengers and found their own parking spots or recharged themselves. Traffic congestion eased as AVs optimized routes, while safety improved drastically, with accident rates plummeting due to error-free driving systems. The widespread adoption of EVs and AVs reshaped economies and societies. Oil-dependent nations diversified their economies, and energy companies pivoted to renewables. Job markets adapted, with growth in tech, AI, and renewable energy sectors, offsetting declines in traditional automotive manufacturing and oil industries. By the 2040s, The once futuristic dream of electric self-driving cars was a reality. Roads were quieter, cleaner, and safer. Innovations like flying cars and Hyperloop transportation systems hinted at the next frontier of mobility. The journey to widespread adoption of EVs and AVs was not without obstacles, but it demonstrated humanity's ability to innovate and adapt. As society looked ahead, the lessons learned from this transformation served as a beacon for tackling future challenges. The revolution in transportation showcased the power of collective effort. Governments, industries, and individuals united to create a sustainable, connected world. The electric and self-driving vehicle story became a testament to what is possible when progress and responsibility converge.